Seems like every Middle Eastern culture has their own variation of this tomato cucumber salad, and for good reason, because it is totally addicting and goes with so many different dishes. The key to perfecting my family's version of this recipe is all in the knife cuts. And while I'm no expert, I've definitely taken notes and tips and tricks from my aunts and my dad to make this as good as their version. So I like to use Persian cucumbers, but you really could make this using any kind of cucumber that you have available to you. But the trick for the cucumbers specifically is just cutting them into small cubes. So I like to cut them in half and then into thirds, and then from there we're just dicing into these little cube-like shapes. Obviously they're not perfect cubes because cucumbers are circular, and that is just a level of complex math that I am not doing today. But these are cubes in my mind, okay? We're gonna call them cubes. And the best thing about Persian cucumbers is they're not super watery on the inside, so it's easy to get lots of those consistent shaped cubes. Okay, so for our tomatoes, I'm using Roma tomatoes. Again, use what you have, but Roma tomatoes do make it easier to get these perfectly shaped slices. And I like to cut them in this method because it allows me to remove the seeds really easily, and I don't think that the seeds and the watery bits on the inside add anything to this salad. They pull away from the flavors that we're going to add in our dressing by just watering it down. So I do recommend removing those guts and seeds if you can. And then I'm just slicing them again into thin strips, and then each of those strips is then getting diced into smaller, we're gonna call them cubes. We're also gonna mince up some parsley and a red onion, and then we're ready to make our salad dressing, which is incredibly simple to make. It's just olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Again, the salad is so incredibly simple, but the flavors and the textures just work so well together when we toss these fresh veggies in that simple but perfectly balanced dressing. The end result is just spectacular. So we're just adding everything directly into our salad bowl and tossing it until everything is evenly combined and coated in that light dressing. And then you are all ready to enjoy this. My family traditionally will have this as a side salad to accompany a tagine, but then inevitably we always have leftovers, and the leftovers make a really spectacular filling in sandwiches. I remember one of my favorite combinations of leftovers was leftover kefta, so like a seasoned Moroccan ground beef with this salad left over, and all of that in like a fresh piece of bread was just next level. Like, I could never relate to people who didn't like leftovers because of dishes like this. And to be honest, this dish really doesn't last as leftovers very long, mostly because we love it so much that it gets eaten quite quickly. It's a great snack to have around, but also because of the freshness of the ingredients, you do want to eat it within a couple days just so that it keeps that crisp crunch to the veggies. I don't think you're gonna have any problems finishing this in a few days though. If you give it a try, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bismillah.